So welcome back people. I think you're all doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. So in this video I'll teach you about how do you use the kill command. So kill command is basically used to send signals to processes and allowing you to control and terminate running processes. This is why you use kill command. Don't get confused about confused between kill command and kill all command. So I'll tell you the difference in the next video. Okay, so let's see the syntax of kill command. So kill options and the PID, that will be process ID. So this is actually the syntax to use the kill command. Okay, let's play with this kill command. Let's see that there is what some process is running. Let me see the process. Let's say that one process is running. I need to delete this process. How do you do that? So you need to use, see that bash. If I can't terminate this process because this old terminal is running in this bash. So if I just terminal, and my system will get corrupted, or not corrupted, like it will be what like all the processes will be stopped, and if I eliminate this also, then all the processes will be stopped. So that is why I don't need to terminate this and I don't need to terminate this. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing what I do, I'll use kill command, then I use -15. So 15 is basically used to send the signal terminate messages to particular process ID. Okay, this will send the termination method. It will actually terminate the process using PID. If you need to terminate the process by PID, then you need to use 15. That will set that will signal the process with terminating. I mean, it will signal the process to terminate the process. That's all. Okay. If you use 15 and I'll use this one, okay, I don't need vim process to be running, then I use 25365. If I press enter, then if I do ps again, then you can see 25365 process has been terminated, but it's been running. If you need to kill that process, then you need to use -9, then you need to specify 25365. Now it will kill the process. See, you can't see the process now. 25365 process is being killed. So terminate is nothing but to terminate, but the process will be in the background, but it will be terminated, but it will not be running. Then you can see the process. If you need to kill that process, then you need to use -9. So 9 is basically to kill the process, 15 is basically to terminate the process. Okay, so now like I'm be showing -9 and -5. Like how do you get these numbers? Like how can I find these numbers? So that you can use kill -l. So that will specify all the numbers that you can use. I showed you the 15th number, so that will be signal terminate. This will send the signal to the process to terminate that particular process, running process. So 9 will be basically to signal a process to kill the process. So it will send a signal that contain kill process, then it will kill the particular process. Okay, like basically in simple words, there is a man and I am here. I will say terminate that command. I'm sending something message to him. That will be the signaling that, right? I'm signaling something to that man. So that man will terminate it. If I say kill that man, so I'm sending a signal that kill that process, then that man will be killed. So I just gave an example. Okay, don't take it serious. Okay, so this is how you can use -l command. So if you need to send the signal terminate signal by name to a process with process ID, you can also use kill and signal, and you can use terminal. So and you can specify the process ID. You can also use like this. Let me do ps so that we can delete one process. Okay, ps, there is many VM, right? Many VMs running. I need to delete one. Okay, what I do now, I'll do kill and I do signal, and you can do terminate and you can specify the process ID, that will be 25390. If I specify that, the third okay, signal terminate, invalid signal specification, invalid signal. Okay, so this is what we use to send. If there is no number, then you can actually send like this, or maybe you can use SIG, I guess, signal terminate. No, it does not work. Okay, so this is how we use to send a signal. Instead of numbers, we use this kind of argument to send. Okay, let's say that you need to do this in a quiet mode. Let's say you need to do this process killing in a quiet mode. What you do, you need to use -q. That will terminate the process in quiet mode. Quiet mode means it will not do any mischiefs or something, not like that. Quiet mode is nothing but it will do in the background, okay, without knowing. So 25390, if I do like this, the invalid signal specification. So I guess I am doing wrong. Let's say, yeah, it's here. Sorry, it's quiet mode, right? Yeah. So this is what I used for a quiet mode. So use to signal rather than kill values. So use to specify integrate to send the signal if the receiving signal has a internet handle for the signal. So yeah, this is how we used to send what in the quiet mode. But it is taking as a queue. Maybe it is updated, I guess. I really don't know. Okay, let's say that you need to prompt from a confirmation before sending a signal terminate to a processor. Let's say there is a processor running 25390. Now you need to get a permission from me that if you are killing that particular process. IE also is not specified. Okay, man kill. Let's go for iPhones. There is no IE. Okay, kill all process you can kill. Okay, let's list. KPID is signal. Okay, yes. Maybe this is updated, I guess. Maybe these process are updated. Maybe. Okay, I will make a other video. This is just a brief video of how do you use kill command. After this Linux series, I'm doing a Linux series of like 100 videos, something 100 commands. After this finishing this, I'll do a 1 hour of video of all these arguments, like what actually this will do and why and where you need to use this particular numbers to terminate the process. I'll do that, don't worry. So kill help, you can also do help, that will also show the some arguments. Then you can specify the versions also. Version, maybe it does not have any version, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you for having a patience. Okay, thank you.